Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can move an image from your gallery to the Files app on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get started with you. First, you will need to do this, open of course your gallery on your iPhone. Next, you will need to select the image that you would like to move to your files. You can either open a single image and then at the bottom, on the left-hand side, click on Share. Next, scroll through the menu that you'll see and select down here at the bottom, Save to Files. Click. And now friends, you will either be prompted to save this image to some folder in the Files app. Or you can either choose a specific folder or create one yourself. For example, in order to select a folder, you can click on the folder name at the top center. And then, friends, you can choose where you would like to save this image. In order to create a new folder, you will need to click on the three dots and then New Folder, and then you just click and name it. And click Save. So when you select the folder, click Save. So friends, you will transfer the image from gallery to files, and you can see that if you open the Files application. Now you will have to click on the View section at the bottom. Then select on My iPhone or iCloud, depending on which folder you saved the image to. You'll need to find that folder. And you open it up. And you can find the image that we now have in the files. In the same way, friends, you can save several images at once. To do this, you will need to click on Select in your gallery on the top right. Then select some images, and then at the bottom of the same click on Share. Next, scroll down the menu to the bottom, select Save You Files, and then it's the same thing. You can choose a folder, or you can create a new one. And the number of these images from the gallery but unlimited, you can choose as many as you want. This is the way, friends, you can move your image from gallery to files on iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Put your likes, please write comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care.